guys, today I'm back with my last Harley Quinn inspired mani, and for this one I was inspired by her outfit from the Birds of Prey trailer. I was obsessed with her caution tape tassel jacket and I wanted to see if I could replicate that on my nails with this sort of waterfall style. So I started off with painting my index and pinky fingers yellow. And then with a striping brush and a pink polish, I'm just dragging down from the cuticle to the tip and creating that sort of feathered out effect. And then I just kept repeating that with different colour polishes. So I did a blue and a lighter blue and a minty green colour and white. And then just going back over it with the other colours so it looks a bit more packed out. So inspired by her shorts, I just painted with this like gunmetal-y blue. And these my Moyu London Holy Shapes plate. I just stamped these straight lines in black to create the stripes. And then on my middle finger, I painted this grey colour to be like her bleached skin. And applied a quick dry top coat. And then just wrote pudding across the nail in black and some of her other tattoos, so a little black love heart and a couple of, what do you call it when you're in prison, a tally chart, that's it, tally markings, there you go, and a little diamond. So it's all inspired by tattoos. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Harley Quinn Birds of Prey inspired nails. I'm actually really happy with the way the tassel jacket waterfall nails came out. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!